Hi, this is Red Pixels Studio. My name is Raushan Singh. Today I am going to show you how to convert monochrome, a black and white portrait image, into a stylish dual color portrait. This is my image, which I got from pexels.com. Image link is given in description area. First, I would like to add a blank layer. You can also hit Shift Ctrl N in Windows and Shift Command N in Mac to get new layer. I have already changed my foreground and background color. You can see both color code on screen. These colors will help me to find perfect gradient. But before applying gradient, I am adding new vertical guide. New guide perfectly aligned exactly center of my canvas. With gradient tool, I am applying gradient, but keeping starting and ending point very close will give me the gradient that seems next color each other. Removing guide, holding with move tool and simply throwing towards tools panel. I am changing new layers blending mode to soft light. It will change solid type color fill to something like dual tone color film. Now I am duplicating top layer by simply dragging and dropping on new layer plus icon. This time changing top layer blending mode to overlay. To transform layer, go to edit, free transform or hit Ctrl T in Windows and Command T in Mac. Once bounding box appears, simply right click over there and choose flip horizontal. As per subject, you can manually adjust highlights or shadow part if needed. That's it from this tutorial. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for connecting with us.